Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. I am Syngonium. Today I will share how to grow Syngonium plant in water. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So friends, these are the healthy cuttings I have divided from the Syngonium mother plant. So it is going to grow well, you can check here. So next we need a transparent glass. So Syngonium can be grown during any season, both in water and soil mix. So if you want to grow Syngonium in water, you can use this process. It will be the easiest process to grow Syngonium. So I'm going to use some small piece of stone. It will support the Syngonium cuttings I'll put here. So now it is ready. So I'm going to put the Syngonium cuttings in the glass. So I'm not going to use any root hormone to grow Syngonium plant in water. So now use a clean water in the glass. So put half part of the glass, not full. So after planting this, we need to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. So to keep the water clean, change water 3 to 4 times a week. So it will take like 10 to 15 days to establish the roots well. So I'll check this after 15 days. Hello everyone, these Syngonium cuttings I have grown like 15 days ago. You can check here, the cuttings are still healthy. So just I'll take it from the glass. You can check the roots here. So it has got the tiny roots now, but it is going to grow well. So I'll change the water now. So we need to keep the water clean. So these two cuttings you can check here, the roots has already started coming up. So it is the easiest process to grow Syngonium cuttings in water. You can check here. You don't need to use any root hormone to grow Syngonium cuttings. So I'll change all the water here. So you can check here, it has got a tiny roots, so it will grow well now. So I'll put in the same glass I have here. So now again we have to give the clean water in the glass. So it will take another 10 to 15 days to get more roots here. So I'll put the clean water again. So remember to keep clean water. You have to change water 3 to 4 times a week. So after changing water, again I'm going to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. Hello everyone, this is day 25 of growing Syngonium cuttings in water. You can check here, the new leaves has already started coming out and it has got lots of roots now. So just I'll take out from the glass. You can check here, it has got lots of roots. So if you want to grow Syngonium cuttings in water, you can use this process. So friends, this is how I grow Syngonium plant cuttings in water. So if you like my video, please press the like button and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then friends, thank you for watching. Take care, see you in the next video. Bye bye.